Dick and Harry Mountain, and it's a beautiful clear day but a little bit windy. We're here with Cassie and Dan, my college roommate. Hi. And we're gonna do it. Woo. We're here, we're gonna hike along here, up around the lake and up to Tom, Dick and Harry Mountain. I honestly thought there were 3 mountains this morning when we got out. So I guess we did this whole thing last time.
So
I thought we were gonna go to 3 different mountains.
So we started this hike and it was about 40 degrees at the trailhead, but lots of wind. So it feels like a balmy 32. And yeah, the wind has died down a little bit as we walk through the forest, but you can still feel it ripping through. It's cool. So when we get to the top of Tom, Dick and Harry Mountain, it's gonna be very cold. Hopefully the views are worth it while we're up there. So we forgot to mention that we are also stopping at Mirror Lake since it's on the way, and we're at the south end of it, but we're gonna hopefully have a view of Mount Hood in the lake as a mirror, but it's kind of windy, so it might not happen. We'll definitely see the mountain though, so let's go check it out. Told you it was brisk this morning. Check out this frost. Incredible view today of Mount Hood. Very clear.
Is that Mount Hood?
Indeed. Great views at Mirror Lake. The sun has come out since we're out of the trees more, but the wind is going crazy up here. My hands are freezing. Been using the camera the whole time. It's a very nice day though. Very lucky. That is officially the coldest my hands have ever been. The wind up there, probably not the coldest wind I've ever felt, but it was just cut through you. Crazy. How was the hike?
It was so fun!
So good. Very windy.
Truthful.
That's the end of hike number 47. It was windy, it was fun. Thanks Cassie and Dan for coming, and we will see you next time for hike number 48.
Let me put these bad boys on.
Bird's bees. Here we are at Mirror Lake, one of Mount Hood's most popular lakes. Check out this crystal clear glass surface. People come from miles around to look deep into the pools.
Okay.
1 billion